So it's the next day here, and Dad and Peter are pretty much working on the exact same things. Dad's still working on this back end here. He's got the pipe brace in there, and he's got the side cut out, and he's just doing some welding to close up some holes. Peter finished off the front, and now he's working on the side here. Because you can see right over here, he's working on the passenger side front panel. And I'm gonna go plow the road here because we had snow last night. But this is what these guys are working on right now. Right, big snow day at the shop here. Dad has been vacuuming all day, so it's not a healthy sheen of orange in the shop.
All these are ready to go. All the floor is vacuumed. The front here. And he's done to the roof.
Okay. That's what the roof still looks like.
And I measured this one.
Oh, you already got it in place. Okay.
I'm going to put an angle there and here for a corner.
Yeah.
Then I climbed inside to do the welding inside.
Okay.
And by that time it's 3:30.
Okay.
That's it.
So Dad had no supervision today, and he's got that side done. He was working on that yesterday. That's all in place. Found a piece of pipe here that he was able to weld into place there to replace that rotten chunk. That's the rotten chunk on the floor there that Dad cut off. And so they're still putting in patches here and there, and they're still scraping down, but Peter actually got quite a bit of the paint done. So obviously he's gotten in here. This is going to be a big job, but up here you can see clear here, dust there, and that's what Dad has been vacuuming up all day. It's all over the shop, literally over everything.
I don't want to work in all that stuff.
Yeah. And
I'm going to show you something. This is like he sanded here, eh?
yeah, that's still got to be sanded down
That's
more.
good. Got to sand until you see bare metal.
Yeah.
So there's lots of sanding to do.
Yeah, so it's and as you sand, as you can see, this is all popping out here too.
This all going to be in place.
So, but could barely walk in here in the last 2 days, but because of the dust. Now this here is all being primed. As you can see, everything's taped off. Buddy's likely not coming in because we kind of had a huge, massive winter storm here.
For the road to get cleared, and then he'll
Yeah,
sand that, give it one more priming, and then he's going to paint.
yeah. So we might even, well, after this gets painted and let it cured and whatnot, we might have a quick tour around the yard, show you guys what it drives like in the winter snow, because there's plenty of it now.
We're going to let this cure for 4 days.
Yeah.
We'll put everything back together, clean it all up, and then take it out on a test run, and then park it in the shed.
Okay. So that's what Dad's been up to here. Might do a combined 3 days here for an update for your video. And it's Wednesday. And but busy at the shop like normal. But it's just Dad here today. And this is what he's up to.
Pile of discs we went through.
Yeah. Good thing he's buying them.